Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable all participant conference. Allow me to presentation the research with title Variation of Eurycomanon content within and among population of Eurycoma aviculata. I am Zulfahmi, corresponding author in this paper. Let me start. Introduction. Eurycoma aviculata is a member of Cimarobaceae family and is known as pasak bumi daun runcing in Indonesia. This species is found in Sumatra Island and Malaysian Peninsula. Eurycomanon is one of the secondary metabolic compounds popular in Eurycoma genus. Eurycomanon is widely extracted from the root of pasak bumi and is used as a drug to increase testosterone hormone and anti-cancer. Until now, information on Eurycomanon content of apiculata from natural population has not yet been reported, and maybe this report is the first report. The objective of breeding apiculata is directed to create genotype with high Eurycomanon content. For the initial stage, development of breeding population with high-quality genetic material must be implemented. Until now, has no report on Eurycomanon content aviculata in various regions in Indonesia, so that this research needs to be done. The objective of research, first, to assess the variation of Eurycomanon content within and among population aviculata. Second, to determine the correlation of Eurycomanon content with environmental factors. Third, to determine the collection site of genetic material for establishment of breeding population aviculata. Material and method. Sample collection. The root of aviculata was collected from 4 populations in Rio Province and 2 populations from Rio Island, which is each population representing 3 samples. The root is dry and converted into powder using grinder. The extraction of apiculata powder is extracted by methanol solvent. The ratio of powder and solvent is 1:9. The sample soaked in the water bath for 8 hours with temperature 60 degrees Celsius. Determination of Eurycomanon is carried out using HPLC with follow method hand and log 2017. Use the mobile phase is water and acetonitrile. Flow rate setting is 0.8 milliliter per minute, and we use the column C18. The data obtained were analyzed with ANOVA, correlation, and created a dendrogram. Result and discussion. This figure describes yield extraction its population. We can see the highest yield extraction was 3.9% observed in Lingga 2 population, and the lowest value was observed in Lingga 1 population with value 2.2%. Eurycomanon content. We can see the calibration curve of Eurycomanon standard, where the R-square coefficient equal 0.998, indicating highly accurate equation of time. The highest value of Eurycomanon content was 9.9%, found in the Rumbio population, and the lowest value was 4.4% we observed in the Pocomo population. ANOVA analysis showed that both populations was significantly different. Variation within population reflected from CP value. The highest CP value was observed in Tahura population, and the lowest value is observed in Lingga 1 population. Coefficient of differentiation of Euricomanon among population. PST value apiculata was 84%, indicating that the variation of Euricomanon content among population was higher than within population, which is only 60%. It is caused by several factors. The first, geographical isolation between population studies, limited gene flow, and resulting in the loss of genetic variation and high differentiation among population. The second, different in environmental factors among population, such as soil properties and herbivore community. Correlation of Euricomanon content within environmental factor. Based on the correlation analysis, no significant correlation. These results are aligned with the result of Sampoa et al. 2016. The author found that the content of secondary metabolic compound in the root of Tiphonia diversifolia was not influenced by rainfall, humidity, temperature, and solar radiation, but it was influenced by availability of nutrients in soil, especially macronutrient and micronutrient. This is the figure of scatter plot PCA and UPGMA dendrogram. We can see sick population of Eurykoma apiculata grouped into three clusters. The first cluster consists of Rumbio and Centagio population with the highest Eurycomanon content. The second cluster is the Tahura, Lingga 1 and Lingga 2 population with moderate Eurycomanon content. And the third group is Pocomo population with lowest Eurycomanon content. We recommended the minimum collection of genetic material apiculata can be carried out in the Rumbio population. Conclusion. First, the average variation of Eurycomanon content within population of apiculata is 26%, while the coefficient of differentiation Eurycomanon among population was 84%. Second, Eurycomanon content in this study was not influenced by geographical factor and climatic factor. Third, collection of material genetic for breeding activity apiculata can be carried out minimum in the Rumbio population. Thank you very much for attention all participants. We back to moderator.